let's move on to the next topic. So, this Yella Beezy trial. I haven't talked about this Yella Beezy trial in a long time. Long time. And first of all, make sure y'all follow. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all super chat is all welcome. I still got goals on Kick. I still got to get these subs on Kick, man. I'm still trying to be partnered on Kick. But just follow. Just hit the follow, hit the like button, share, whatever. You ain't got to spend no money or nothing like that. Just support your brother, man. I'm just trying to grow my channel, doing something I love to do. But yeah, man, I appreciate everybody here that's watching. All right, let's move on. Yella Beezy. I haven't talked about Yella Beezy in a long time. The trial's finna get ready to start. And just got some news today. Well, yesterday, that the Hitman that took down MO3 went to trial. He went to court today. Well, yesterday he went to court. Let's see what the news actually had to say about all of this.
Dallas rapper Yella Beezy and his two co-defendants in a murder-for-hire case are set to stand trial August 24th. His real name is Marquise Conway. Prosecutors say he paid a hitman to gun down his rap rival on 35 in Dallas, November of 2020. And a debate in the case is whether rap lyrics can be used as evidence. Fox 4's Lori Brown live.
Do y'all think rap lyrics should be used as evidence? Because at the end of the day, it's freedom of speech, rap. But you know how the rap world is. Clout, trying to chase it, try to validate what something is done and take credit for it. Y'all know how the rap world works. Okay? Do y'all really think lyrics should be used as evidence in trial? I don't think it should. Because a lot of people be lying about lyrics in rap. Let's just keep it honest.
With the story, Lori.
She fine.
Heather, today, attorneys for the accused hitmen and prosecutors argued if the gunman should stand trial first or the rapper accused of hiring him. Here is the backstory. Dallas rapper Yella Beezy, whose real name is Marquise Conway, is accused of hiring Kewan Dontrell White to shoot his rap rival, Mo3, whose real name is Melvin Noble. Prosecutors say the two rappers had a long-standing feud that Conway also wrote about in his lyrics. White, the alleged hitman, was arrested in December 2020 and is serving an 8-year, 9-month federal prison sentence on firearm charges related to the incident. The judge ruled today that White will still stand trial first, but his defense attorneys argued the man accused of hiring him should be the first on trial.
Mr. Conway's attorneys have absolutely no duty to disclose anything to the state about what their defense is or anything to any of the other co-defendant attorneys about what their defense may be. And it may be that the only way that we can discover that there is some alternative theory, that there is some other evidence that exists that would benefit our client in his defense is through that trial, is through Mr. Conway's trial.
We are asking the court to do what's right, not only by the criminal justice system, but by the family, and let this community hear this case of the man who is alleged of shooting and killing Melvin Noble on I-35 and is also charged with aggravated assault for shooting a neurosurgeon in the head that day on the freeway.
White's attorney argued that there could be bank statements and other financial records that could come out at Conway's trial, and not knowing about those documents puts their client at a disadvantage. Prosecutors argued that with White in custody since 2020, his counsel has had plenty of time to seek out those documents on their own. The judge plans to make a decision about whether or not rap lyrics are admissible at a later time. The judge asked attorneys to make sure that all three defendants are ready to stand trial August 24th in case a plea deal ends up changing the schedule. Heather.
All right, Lori Brown live.
All right, Lori Brown. So yeah, man, like I'm telling you, if the judge let the lyrics be evidence in the trial, he is cooked. Yella Beezy is fucking out of here. Yella Beezy is out of here because in the beef with MO3 and Yella Beezy and Trap Boy Freddy and all this shit, blah, 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 blah. He was saying some wild shit. I mean, he wasn't saying his name directly. But I tell you, man, Yella Beezy, he was they was beefing hard, man. Thus leading into his death. Because let's hypothetically say it wasn't Yella Beezy. Let's say he didn't pay Yella Beezy. Lighthouse, what it do? Let's just hypothetically say it wasn't Yella Beezy. Who? Respect to you, black man, like on Smash. Appreciate that. Let's just say it wasn't Yella Beezy to pay the guy to get rid of MO3. Who was it then? Who was it? Nobody. So yeah, they was beefing so much, man. It's like, look, Yella Beezy, I truly believe Yella Beezy paid that man. But yeah, that guy, that car, all he had to do, look, he's gonna tell. Bro. He's gonna tell. So yeah, that's it on that. And please just Smitty, not Lighthouse. That's my channel name. Just Smitty. Okay, bro. Okay. All right. But let's get into the next topic. All right. Man, once again, make sure y'all hit that follow button, hit that like button, subscribe, share, all of that. Super chats are welcome, kicks are welcome. Come to my Kick and hit follow. I'm trying to grow on Kick. Once again, man, shout out to everybody. Shout out to the mods that's in here. These are good topics. They all right. You know, when I do a live, I have to talk about something. I have to. I missed what Zuma said they should not because most rappers don't tell the truth. Hell no, you right. You exactly right. Like I said, most rappers are just rapping for clout. A lot of rappers just be capping, bro. So no. And then just because of the Second Amendment, First Amendment, whatever that is. Yeah. So I'm not agreeing of rap lyrics because if that's at the end of the day, I done killed 50 billion people in my life when I was rapping. All right.